In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place trades on Tradingview. We'll walk through the full process from your chart to placing and managing a trade, keeping everything clear and practical so you can follow along with confidence. Start by opening your chart with the chart visible. Look to the bottom of the screen for the trading panel. Click it to expand, then choose paper trading if you want to practice without risking real funds. Or connect your supported broker to trade live. Paper trading is a great way to get comfortable with the workflow and test ideas safely before committing real capital. Next, open the order ticket. You can do this in a few ways, and they all bring you to the same place. You can click the buy or sell buttons in the top left corner of the chart. You can also choose trade from the top right area. Or, click the plus sign on the price scale and select the order type you want to use. Pick whichever feels most natural in your layout. In the order ticket, choose your order type. Market orders execute immediately at the current price, which is fast and simple but can be affected by slippage in fast markets. Limit orders let you specify the exact price where you are willing to buy below or sell above the current market, giving you more control over entry. Stop orders allow you to set a stop entry or stop loss price that triggers once the market reaches that level, helping you plan protective exits or momentum entries. Now set your quantity and risk. Enter the number of units you want to trade, and if it fits your plan, check take profit and stop loss to add automatic exits. Take profit locks in gains at a target level. And stop loss helps cap downside if the market moves against you. You can type in prices or distances, and you'll see the estimated impact before placing the order. Take a moment to double-check symbol, side, order type, price, and size, so everything matches your intent. When you are ready, click buy or sell to execute. If it's a market order, it will fill right away. Limit and stop orders will sit pending until price reaches your conditions. After placing the trade, your active orders and positions appear directly on the chart. You can drag the lines to adjust entry, stop or target levels. And you can click the X on an order line to cancel or close. This visual management keeps your plan front and center and makes quick adjustments straightforward. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.